Clé de Peau Beauté's top-selling foundation, Reformulated. Perfected coverage looks clarified, dewy, and even less detectable. After applying a priming base, start with a small amount of cream foundation. Dot onto 5 points of your face. Blend with the high coverage foundation brush for a seamless, flawless effect. Holding the brush straight outwards, use light tapping motions around the center of the face. This helps to disperse foundation evenly and cut down on streaking. Now, with the brush at a slight angle, use light strokes to blend. Again, work from the center outwards. To thoroughly blend along the facial outline, follow the jawline sweeping upwards. Keep pressure light to avoid leaving brush marks. Next, softly blend around the nose and sides of the mouth by holding the brush at a straight angle to fit against the skin. And finally, with the brush angled upwards, follow the cheekbones and jawline inwards for even coverage, and an undetectable blend around the outline of the face. A perfected but natural-looking finish. Unlock the power of your radiance. For more how-tos and inspiration, subscribe to the official Clé de Peau Beauté YouTube channel.